Hi, this is Akash Srivastav and welcome to my YouTube channel. Watercolor creates itself. You read it right. Today I am using wet and wet technique to create watercolor without using pen or pencil. I have first put a wash of watercolor, then I am using Prussian blue color to draw the sky. The color I am using is artist watercolor of camel. I am using three colors, which is Prussian blue, lemon yellow, and sap green. Now I am taking out the lemon yellow color and giving it a and making a stroke with it, and next creating mountains using the Prussian blue color. Initially, you had read in the title that watercolor creates itself, means it is such a medium, means what you plan may not always happen, means watercolor will flow and will make its own shape and design and creation. It can become even more beautiful than what you had imagined. You must always be alert and focused that what element you should give and what not. You have to leave white spaces often, like in the sky you can see this white is one of the most important part of the paintings. It makes the painting very beautiful. You ask any artist who is good in watercolor, or even during sketches, they know the value of white spaces. When you use pencil color, only the artist know the value of the white pencil color, how important is the white has the ability to you know make and highlight the painting to the next level. I have colored here in such a way. I wanted to create a tree and give a greenery at the bottom along with the water. Watercolor painting is like a dish. You have ingredients to make it beautiful. So the painting is almost complete. If you have watched till now, tell me in the comment section what you like the most in the painting. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribed to watch my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.